Angle grinders are handheld power tools that, depending on the blade or attachment used, can grind, buff, polish, cut, sharpen, and clean a wide variety of materials, including wood, metal, tile, and stone. Dean Biermeyer, a licensed carpenter and general carpenter, advises, angle grinders are highly versatile tools if you get the right one for your needs. The best for most DEers are 4.5-inch disc models. Look for high torque, wattage, or voltage for battery-operated ones, and variable speeds if you want top-notch results. These features make an angle grinder the most suited for common uses. We evaluated angle grinders based on power, versatility, reliability, and ease of use. There are many products available to choose the best angle grinders for you, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best angle grinders for you from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Best overall. Makita 4.5-inch cordless angle grinder. For a top-rated, intuitive angle grinder that will serve you well, no matter how you use it, one of your best options is the Makita XAG04Z cordless angle grinder. This mid-price tool is powered by an 18-volt battery, which is sold separately, so you won't be limited by a power cord, yet it still delivers big in terms of power and speed. It accepts 4.5-inch or 5-inch blades and attachments and weighs just 5.6 pounds, so it won't tire you out even on a lengthy work session. It has rubberized handles to help minimize vibration to your hands and wrists. This angle grinder makes quick work of grinding, cutting, and sanding various materials, such as concrete, tile, pipes, and more. It features automatic speed change technology, which adjusts the speed and torque during operation for optimized performance, no matter what you're working on. The tool's brushless motor is electronically controlled to prolong battery life, lasting up to 50% longer per charge. This high-quality tool is well-balanced and lightweight, yet it delivers impressive power that's perfect for tackling just about any job, like cutting curves in cement backer boards. Number 2. Best budget. Metabo HPT 4.5-inch angle grinder. You could easily spend a couple $100 on a high-end angle grinder and all of its attachments, but if you're just starting out with this tool, you may be better off with a budget option, such as the Metabo HPT, formerly Hitachi, G12SR4M 6.2 amp 4.5-inch angle grinder. This grinder has a top no-load speed of 10,000 RPM, but does not have variable speed control capabilities. This powerful angle grinder comes with 5 abrasive discs, as well as a storage case. The tool is compact and lightweight at just 4 pounds, which is great for control and versatility. Its unique side handle makes it comfortable for both right and left-hand users, and it delivers impressive overload durability, increasing its reliability and lifespan. You can use this angle grinder on various metals, such as steel, bronze, or aluminium, as well as on slate, brick, and more. It's especially handy for cutting and removing bricks. Number 3. Best variable speed. Bosch variable speed angle grinder. Most angle grinders operate at just one speed, but if you're looking for a more versatile tool, you may want a variable speed angle grinder such as this one from Bosch. The Bosch GWS 13-50 is an 13-amp corded angle grinder that comes with a 5-inch grinding wheel, but it can also use 4.5-inch wheels. This is a highly rated product that can operate between 2,800 and 11,500 RPM. Making it suitable for a variety of applications, both professional or around-the-house tackling repairs or DE projects. This tool also has a variety of other features that give it more power and more control than other options. For instance, it features a 2-position vibration control handle for your comfort, as well as directed airflow that blows dust away from vital components in order to extend the life of the tool. It also has up to 2 more amps of power than previous generations. Number 4. Best for concrete. DEWALT 4.5-inch angle grinder. With the right disc attachment, angle grinders are even powerful enough to cut through concrete. If you're looking for a tool to help you grind down or slice through this tough material, you may want to opt for the DEWALT DWE 402, which has an 11-amp motor and a 4.5-inch grinding wheel. It's designed to be comfortable and easy to grip, even on long work sessions. This tool excels in terms of power-to-size ratio, delivering 11,000 RPM. Yet only weighing around 6 pounds. It has a two-position side handle for a comfortable grip, and its dust ejection system helps to ensure that particles do not enter the tool and compromise its lifespan. This is the grinder to choose if you want to make quick work of concrete surfaces, grind down floors, or deeply score sidewalks with ease. Use the grinder to level off an uneven garage floor or do similar tasks. Of course, you can also use it for other common angle grinder projects, such as grinding, buffing, or cleaning wood and other materials. Number 5. Best for wood carving. King Arthur's Tools MERLIN 2 Angle Grinder Carving Set. Many woodworkers use angle grinders to rough sand their creations, but you shouldn't use a standard grinder for more delicate applications when carving or carrying out other craft-related woodworking tasks. Instead, it's best to get a tool that's specially designed for use on wood, such as the King Arthur's Tools MERLIN 2 Universal Carving Set, which has a mini 2-inch grinding wheel. While more expensive than some other options, this set comes with everything you need to create intricate details and smooth finishes on wood surfaces, as well as most other non-metal materials, including plastic, rubber, fiberglass, and bone. The mini angle grinder uses just 1 amp of power, saving you energy, and the kit comes with 6 accessories, including coarse, medium, and fine sanding discs. The grinder has a high-capacity fan and air vents that allow it to stay cool and be used for longer woodworking sessions. Plus, the textured ergonomic design gives you better comfort and control. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. If you want to know the details of a particular product, please comment. Thanks for staying with Creation Tech.